Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will create TRC20 Flash USDT on the Tron chain using TRX. We will use a Solidity script to create Flash USDT. The Flash USDT created by this script will be 100% swappable and transferable. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. First thing we are going to need is a TRC20 wallet. We will install TronLink Wallet as a Google Chrome extension. You can install the wallet from the official TronLink website. The website is tronlink.org. I will leave a link to the website in the description. Then you will need to set up the wallet and recharge it. I have around 1600 TRX in wallet. However, for this demo, I'm going to use only 800 TRX. You also need to keep extra TRX in your wallet to cover gas fees, say maybe around 30-40 USDT worth of TRX. This is the website where I have put the Solidity script for public view. I will leave a link to the code in the description. Be cautious and thoroughly go through the code before deploying. Here is how this code works. The script, after deploying, will need TRX to process Flash USDT. The minimum TRX required is 800 TRX. Here's how it works. For 800 TRX, you get 120K Flash USDT. For 1000 TRX, you get 150K Flash USDT. For 2000 TRX, you get 300K Flash USDT. This goes on, and there is no upper limit. Just multiply the TRX amount with 150 to get the Flash USDT amount. Okay, so the Flash USDT we generate will be 100% swappable on the SunSwap, and you can directly convert the USDT to TRX on-chain. This will be valid on-chain for 10 to 15 minutes after Flash USDT is generated. So you need to work quick. I will show the full demo here, so you need not worry. First, we will need to copy this code from the link I will provide in the description. Then we need to go to TronIDE.io and paste this code. Make sure the URL here matches and you do not land on some counterfeit website. I will provide the link in the description though. Create a new file and name it Flash USDT and press enter. Your file, flashusdt.sol, will be created. Now paste the code you copied from the link and you are ready to create your first batch of Flash USDT. Scroll to the top and you can see that the contract name is Tron Flash USDT Bot. Make sure you do not change the contract name. Now let's compile this code. Go to the Solidity compiler section, select compiler version 0.5.10, and compile the file. If the file is compiled successfully, a green check will appear, else you will get an error. Now go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab and from the environment select Injected Tron Web. A successful connection will show your wallet address and its TRX balance under the Account tab. Now in the Contract tab, select the second contract, that is Tron Flash USDT Bot. Under the Deploy tab, put token name as Tether and token symbol as USDT, and you are ready to deploy the contract. Click on Transact and sign the transaction. You will be charged a gas fees in TRX to deploy the contract, normally $15 to $20. And yeah, the contract is deployed. You can see your contract under Deployed Contracts. To confirm it on-chain, you can check it on TronScan and verify the contract. Just copy the contract address from here and paste it on TronScan.io. You can see our contract, Tron Flash USDT Bot, is launched on-chain. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to just recharge the contract. I am going to transfer 800 TRX from my wallet to the contract. That's the minimum amount of TRX you need, and I expect to generate 120K Flash USDT. Let's check whether our contract was recharged with the TRX. And yeah, you can see the contract balance is now $228.00. Now let's go back to TronIDE and call the generate flash function. This function will generate the Flash USDT on-chain. We now need to withdraw the generated Flash USDT to our wallet. For this, we will call the withdrawal function. Yeah, the withdrawal function was called successfully. Now, let's check our wallet. Let's refresh it. And yeah, we have successfully created 120K Flash USDT. Now let's just quickly swap it to TRX. We will use sun.io DEX to do this. And yes, finally, we converted our USDT to TRX. That's all, folks. See you guys next time.